The FBI covert wall outlet camera. This device was recording audio and video for the FBI without a warrant. I found this in my bathroom July 17, 2018. Covert eavesdropping device. This device was recording audio and video for the FBI. You see the microprocessor right here. Printed circuit board. There's no way a bathroom outlet should have a microprocessor on the back of it. This microprocessor was processing audio video data for the FBI. Looks like a regular outlet. See, that's the tear behind it. The FBI watched me relieve myself, shower and bathe with this device. FBI covert eavesdropping wall outlet camera.